Okay, welcome back to Elotic Ventures. Today we're going to go to the beach, specifically at Minsk Sea, and we're going to go to beach number 5. And I guess it's a real popular place to go for Belarusians when it gets very hot. And today is going to be 33 degrees in Minsk, so it's going to be a beautiful day for this video. So let's take a look. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Sheriff.
Hi.
Hello. All right. See, we got some eye candy out here, actually. Oh, here's beach number 5. There we go. Right here. Yeah, we're here. Beach number 5. And we got the lounge area right here. We can get a drink and some food. It's about 12:30 right now. I'm starving. Let's get a table. Get some food.
We are walking right and left, then we will decide where we will.
But we told everyone we're going to be right here, beach number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah.
Beach number 5.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
We are walking.
All right. Well, let's get a table somewhere. All right. Right here. Okay. It's nice and cool in here. Where do you want a table in here? Or maybe out here. Okay. You want it? Let's just sit right here, and then when people come, we can get more tables. All right. All right, let's do that. Let's get some beers. All right. Oh, you want to go right there?
Close the music, you know.
Okay, guys. This is going to be a great day. So far, we got Vladimir in the house. Katya. Sheriff.
My name is Bonds.
Bonds. James Bonds. So we have probably another 4 people coming, so we're just waiting for them. But it's the warmest day of the year here in Belarus. So we're going to enjoy it, and I hope you guys do too.
Cheers.
All right, I got my my Turkish buddy walking in the hot freaking sand, hot dirt, and he's okay. I think it's because you're Turkish, huh? Anyway. All right. Okay. So where are we going?
We go to the end of the beach. There
All
is
right.
a small bar.
Small bar. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Mood bar.
All right. Let's
Mood bar.
let's share the scenery here. This is my first time here. How many times you been here?
Of course.
How many?
4 or 5 times last
4 or 5 times.
Last year, not this year. This year the first time.
Ah, look at this. Okay, we got the J. Hardy bar. This is usually happening at night, though, huh? Like,
Yes, jihad, yes.
yeah.
But I think it's working in the night time.
In the nighttime?
Party.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I mean. Cool.
Music and dance.
Oh, so you can rent paddle boards Cool. I have to tell you, it's freaking hot right now. It's only like, say, 91 degrees Fahrenheit, but the humidity is high, so it makes it a lot warmer. Oh, you got people in the shade here. Okay. So we have campers. You can actually camp here overnight. Look. Look at all the tents. All the barbecue set up. Oh, this is awesome. I'm actually going to do this probably in the next couple of weeks. Okay, here I come, Chef. Not bad. Sheriff, let's go down here. Yeah. Wow. Awesome. Chef, have you done a paddleboard yet? Have you been out in the water, Sheriff?
Do you want the water?
Yeah, no, have you been out there with the paddleboard there?
Yes, of course.
Lots of kitties. Wow. So beyond that tree line right there, that's where the beach stops?
Here.
Yeah, stops there. Okay. But look how beautiful. This is like called Minsk Sea. It's actually a reservoir, so it's man-made. Belarus is a landlocked country, but they call it Minsk Sea. Kind of a nickname because it's their only, but Belarus has over 10,000 lakes. So plenty of water here in Belarus. Okay. All right. This is where you wanted to take me, Sheriff, huh? Amazi. Oh, the bean bags.
It's a big bag.
Yeah, it's too hot for bean bags, though.
You don't like?
It's too hot. I don't see anyone sitting on or laying on bean bags.
So we can sit here?
Yeah, let's sit inside. Awesome.
Sweaty.
You got two? Huh?
Yes, 2 beer.
All right, sit over here.
Okay.
Oh, you want it? Are we sitting over there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Which one? This
I don't
one?
care. I'll get this one. Whatever you want, huh? Oh, look.
All the
Stara
same, yeah.
Pramen. Check there.
Oh, the same.
All right. Well, this is not a bad view. Now I know why you want to come here, Sheriff. All right. Beautiful. Okay, Sheriff. What do you think? Is this the family side? This is where all the family and the children and the husbands and wives are.
This is the California beach.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the other side.
All right.
That's where the single ones are.
I go
All
there
right.
with you and I will come back here.
All right.
For years. More tourism.
All right. Uh-oh.
Police.
Oh. Belarusian police or Coast Guard. What are they saying? I don't know what they're saying. Okay. Sheriff has this Turkish feet. They can handle the heat.
Wild feet, wild.
No, but I mean, it's like 91, 92 degrees, 33 degrees Celsius, and you're walking like
a Jamaican style.
Jesus. You are a Turkish man, that's for sure.
Wild, I'm a wild man.
Oh, look who's arrived. Hello. Hello. Let me get him. Okay. Vladimir, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Thanks for coming.
Red?
I know. I'm getting there.
Man, you gotta use some sunscreen, man.
I did. I used 50 block. 50 block. Oh, okay.
You can take it.
We got it. All right. Okay. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. Did you guys go out last night? Is that why you guys were late?
Last night
Yeah.
we were asleep.
You sleep?
Yeah.
We were asleep before 11.
Before 11.
Yeah, which is good.
Don't go for a walk on Zibiska like Belarusian.
Oh no, we went for a walk. We had a couple beers for sure.
Oh.
We went to Oktoberskaya and we found some lights for our loft, and then we purchased them, and then we walked home, and then we went to a few cafes along the way. Yeah.
Yesterday evening was so nice and cool weather.
Oh, it's the hottest day of the year right now. All right, thank you for coming.
Я думаю, что у них-то не должно быть хейтеров, у них-то не должно быть плохих комментариев, но и на них. И я тогда думаю, господи, на всех есть своя критика, и необоснованная, и это так странно для меня.
Ну, в основном такие люди, когда ты сам с собой в душе, ты такое не будешь писать другим людям. We talk about cinema and followers and haters.
We have two cinemas around our house. One next door, one in the next part. Maybe is that the cinemas you're talking about?
Наши два кинотеатра. Один детский кинотеатр.
Рядом, прямо около дома, да.
Yeah, we have two cinemas. Sheriff, what are you doing?
I always love you
New sheriff in town.
because I'm the best in the West. In this case, I say everybody, hello, my friends.
Hello. Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friends from Jean Paul Gaultier.
All right.
Edward have 1% haters. You have a very good friend or good followers with good and positive comment about your video?
Maybe 1%
1%.
that are bad.
More.
Yeah, you saw those. You read them.
But this 1% writing stupid comments,
Very
not
stupid.
about Edward, not about your video. I don't know your 1% of this.
But I'm
followers.
trying to like be positive. I don't like lash back at them. I usually do a question mark,
Uh-huh.
and then somebody else chimes in, and then I will just delete them.
With them.
Yeah,
But this for fun.
yeah,
Comments of this video for fun.
Yeah.
It's very funny.
it is.
Haters will love you too. You
Oh,
give.
I love everybody who watches my channel because I make money on everybody, even if you
Yeah.
are a hater.
And you give me happy about your stupid comment.
Yes. And let's just get it straight. I'm not making a lot of money, so not making a lot of money. I could probably buy a round of drinks every month on the money that I'm buying or making on my channel. So, anyways,
Very tasty tea.
hey, where were
Tea
you?
ceremony.
What took you guys so long?
Trying to get a beer.
But you got water.
Look, I've had so many beers today.
Like 3?
That's way too many for me.
I know.
Trust me.
I know.
Oh,
Okay.
many orders, yeah?
No, I mean, it's nice if you sit like in an AC room, that's fine. But if you're in 35 degrees heat, is way different.
Okay, it's only 33. Don't exaggerate the temperature. It's 33, not 35.
I guess. How many did you have?
I've had 4. I've had 4. All right. Where's Sheriff?
Chef's going to get more beer.
Oh, he went to the Jamaica bar. Yeah.
He's in the beach.
Okay. All right, guys. We're
Может, мусор уберем вот это?
А мы сами уберем.
Türkçe, Türkmençe, Azerbaycan, her dilde konuşuyorum.
Birazdan geleceğim ben, tamam mı? Biz biraz yüzeceğiz, geleceğiz.
okay. So we're gonna go to the Jamaican bar again, but we're leaving all of our stuff here: our backpacks, our shirts, and they're like telling us it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So all right. So we're leaving everything. There's my bag, right there. I can't believe I'm gonna leave it here, and we're gonna go down the beach. This would not happen in the United States. Okay, let's go.
Paralar aldın mı Katya?
What?
Paralar aldın mı?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, Katya. We're going to the Jamaican bar.
Yes.
Here we go.
Jamaica manzara.
Jamaica man. Oh, is that a fire truck? Is that a Belarusian fire truck? What is that?
Fire truck.
Ya şunları durdur, ben çok ısındım, değiliyor bir şey yapsın. I'm very hot, so they must...
Look, Mori. That means beach, right? Okay. All right. Just so you guys know, I went like this, thinking that they would pull the horn. They weren't very amused. Let's go, guys. We're hitting the Jamaican bar, man.
Jamaica bar in Belarus.
Ömür Bey'e yazacağım, diyeceğim ki Şeyhsel adalarından kum getirdik.
Maybe you want banana swim?
Hi, Vladimir, come on. You're the only man on the beach with no shorts. You're very unique.
Hey, look, listen. The reason I got it is just so that I don't get burned in the sun.
Well, that's why they have suntan lotion. That's why they have SPF.
Hey, look, man.
All right. Listen, I'm not trying to hear to bust your balls, but you are the only man on the beach wearing pants.
But Katya, look, but Katya's also wearing a long.
No, she's wearing a skirt. Oh, okay. Where is everybody? Sheriff! Sheriff! Wait! All right. All right, let's go. We gotta wait for Katya.
All right.
There we go. Okay. You are like the second son. There's the first son. This is the second son. You are very bright. You are shining. You are the shining star on this planet. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. I actually thought you guys left us.
Left us?
Yeah, you left me. Come on, Katya. Okay, the sand's gonna be. Are you a Turkish woman?
I'm not Turkish woman.
But isn't that hot?
Katya is a bona fide.
Isn't that hot?
Turkish woman.
Oh.
Katya, speak Turkish.
Isn't that hot?
No.
Okay, well you did live in Turkey for 10 years, so you're probably half Turkish at this point. Really, it's not hot.
No.
Okay, all right. All right, let's move on. Oh, it's a little hot, isn't it?
Hey, no.
Okay. He's up there. See the Gopnik guy that's wearing the blue hat? That's Sheriff. He's the Turkish man not wearing shoes and a blue hat. All right. Look, we could buy one of these modules to live on. But that's like a module. It's pre-made. You just come down to the beach and they put it together, and it's fine. So look, this is where we can camp. Right here.
Where?
Right here. Look.
Okay.
Look at the campfires.
Say hello.
Oh, hello. Who are we saying hello to?
This is my friend Svetlana.
Oh.
Hello.
I've heard some really good things about you, Svetlana.
Svetlana.
All
See you
right.
soon.
Enjoy Georgia. All right.
Oh, like this camping.
Yeah. Look there. We could get a tent. You, me, and Obi come down here. There's campfires. There's barbecues. I think it's good. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Breakfast here.
Yeah, it's good. We'll spend the whole weekend.
Yeah.
What do you think? All right. We can go paddle boarding. You ever paddleboard?
No, never.
Everything's electric here. Okay. All right. Okay. We got to go this way. Oh, there you are, Sheriff. Where'd you go?
Çadır ne demek Rusça ya? İngilizce.
Camping.
You were camping.
He
His
make camping and live there for a few months.
his
Alright.
friend, that man, made their camping, and
Yeah.
they are living there.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you met some campers.
Yeah,
You met some permanent residences here.
yeah.
All right.
Chili peppers.
It's,
Jamaica.
It's at the very end.
Wait.
We're almost there, guys.
Так щекотно, что ли?
Sheriff, we're
So
not
you
here
can
yet.
take sunshine here
О,
if you want. If you don't want,
We don't want.
Sheriff, you're
We're going.
the first one anywhere. You're the first one to come anywhere.
I am from Turkey. What you think? Of course. I am very fast.
You are barefoot and pregnant. You're unbelievable. Let's go. Come
I'm
on.
not pregnant.
All right. Well, that's true.
So we
Alright.
can take sunshine here if you want, or we can
No,
go to Jamaican
no. Let's go to the Jamaican bar.
Let's go to Jamaican
That's
bar.
why we went on
But
this
she said me
journey.
that she want to take a.
Let's go.
Oh, they have. Look, they have jet skiing. Have a lot of boating here. I grew up boating, water skiing, wakeboarding. Honey, I think we're gonna do some water sports next time. What do you think? Okay. Okay, guys, we're getting there. Jamaica man. I don't know why is this a Jamaican bar? Can you explain yourself?
I can explain myself. This is Jamaican bar because
It says Amazi. Does that mean, what does that mean?
Katya bak burada hamburger falan da var ya.
Oh, they got burgers. They got cheeseburgers and burgers. Right there. All right.
And very personal to me, it's evolution and growth over.
All right, we're here. I want to sit here. Guys, let's sit over here. Sure. Let's sit over here. Sheriff is ready.
Sorry.
This is gonna be like an hour-long video. I love it. Sheriff, what are you doing? By the way,
Bunu söylesene Jamaican
I really love that man. He's got a lot of life in him. He's putting his moves. That's your director, honey.
В принципе, все что угодно, можно и бумажку, можно и то, и другое.
Okay, now we got some Jamaican music.
Burayı Jamaica'ya çevirdik.
Jamaica man.
Ya
Now there's a little bit of resemblance to a Jamaican bar.
Katya bana versene. Kim var?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Jamaican style yaptık ya.
Sheriff,
Yes, I'm
it's
Jamaican
not a Jamaican bar unless they have striped spear. Do they have striped spear?
If you want, you can drink here Jamaican beer.
Oh, it's not Jamaican beer. They have no stripes.
The colors look like Jamaican beer.
All right. I
Sheriff is here.
shot the sheriff. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, sir.
Jamaica.
Cheers. So good?
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Bear on me, man.
Jamaica.
Oh, bear on me, man. But I will drink in your honor.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm coming. Here we go. What's up, guys? You guys getting some sun? Oh my God. You guys wearing some suntan lotion?
But we're not red, we're white boys.
I'm not. Look.
Yeah. Red.
No lotion.
No.
I got lotion on me, and I'm red. I am white boy. You guys have something else in you.
Sanya?
What? No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Okay. Are we? I think we want to go that way. You want to meet us? Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So we're gonna head that way, Mr. 1996 man. We will see you over there. All right. Water's not too bad. Water's probably, well, as a guessing man, probably 68 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. So maybe 20 degrees. But it's 33 degrees Celsius out right now for 91 Fahrenheit. It's not bad. It's not bad. Guys, this is a reservoir. This is a man-made lake. Awesome though. Oh look, we got President Putin in the lake right now. A young President Putin. Love it.
We're right here.
Yeah, you know what?
About an hour ago.
We went to a famous Jamaican bar on the beach.
Where? Which direction?
It's this way. According to Sheriff, It's a Jamaican bar. So that's why he wanted to go there. We've been there twice.
Sheriff
So we're
wants to
there
go-
like an hour, maybe 2 hours.
You're recording a video right
I
now?
am right now. I am.
If Sheriff wants to go to a Jamaican bar, he's gonna go there.
Yeah.
Whether it's in Belarus.
You don't know Sheriff. But he's a Turkish man. Her director, yeah.
Turkish men find Turkish women.
Maybe.
And he's not looking for
actually
Turkish
don't
women, I don't
Only
think.
Turkish
Meet
men.
before?
Turkish men.
Yeah,
How do you know I
because
met
in this
Sarah?
beach a lot of
How do you know I met that other guy?
Turkish men. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, playing in volleyball, 2 Turkish men.
Yeah, but he's not looking for Turkish men. That's my point. He's looking for Belarusian women, I think. Well, Andrew, thank you for coming.
I already got to talk to Belarus 1 news channel, so now I get to talk to Ed YouTube channel.
Well, mine's going to be more candid.
I just walked up to them and said, "Hey, can I say I love Belarus?" And the guy said, "Sure." So
I love Belarus, too.
Belarus, it's a great country.
But can I say I wish you would have shaved for the occasion?
I should have shaved.
You should have shaved for the occasion.
I'm a man. I grow hair. It doesn't look like you shaved.
Actually, I did trim up. I did trim up this morning. No, I'm just joking.
It's fun to swim in the ocean though when you're all shaved, and especially if you're naked or you have a Speedo.
Well, you can swim faster. That's for sure.
And you just feel like you just slide right through it.
Can you even believe our conversation, Victoria?
Well, girls don't have much body hair, so they know what it's like to just slide through the water. But when you're a guy and you have all this hair, it slows you down.
Yeah.
I mean, does it
It really does. Like you feel a big difference.
No, that's true. That's why swimmers shave before their event.
Mostly it just feels cool, but you do go a little fast.
Oh, of course. It's scientifically proven. All right. Okay, we're gonna move on, guys. Okay. The weather warning advisory. Look at this. Look how dark and ominous that looks. Everybody is kind of leaving because they have warned that the winds could get very, very high. I heard 120 miles an hour, but that's ridiculous. It's not going to get that high. I think maybe 60. But regardless, we're going inside. We're going inside. Okay.
Minsk.
There was a maid.
Национальный университет.
I don't know what I caught. I thought I got most of the storm on camera, but evidently I didn't. But there was a major storm rolling through here, and the winds got up to 120 miles an hour. I have some of the photos, and I think some people at the table, they might have caught some of the footage on camera. So we're gonna mix up the videos so that we can make this video. But it's unbelievable. Someone actually died. We're on beach 5. Someone died on beach 3. I think a tree fell on him, but I'm not sure. Someone actually died. It was touch and go for about 30 to 45 minutes. People were like all huddled up in this building, and maybe you can see the damage that's out there. Like, see where that jet ski is? Like right above that is a broken tree. It just snapped.
Oh, you see this?
I do.
Смотри, какие волны.
Look at that.
Surfing.
Jesus. I feel like I'm in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka? Really?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Crazy. Crazier.
последствия всего урагана. Молния. Какой-то абсурд ситуации, да?
Good work. Good work. Good work, Sheriff.